You stretch every day. Hamstrings, hips, lower back, and for a few minutes, you feel amazing. But then a few hours later, you feel stiff all over again. So you stretch again, and the cycle repeats. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your muscles might not be the real problem. Your brain might be. Today, we settle a very common debate in the fitness world: stretching versus mobility. One of them gives you temporary relief, the other can actually change how your body moves. And if you've been feeling stiff for years, there's a good chance you've been focusing on the wrong one. Let's start with what most people do. Imagine someone trying to loosen their hips. They sit down, bring their feet together, and push their knees toward the floor. The classic butterfly stretch. They hold it for 30 seconds, maybe even a full minute. They feel a deep stretch in the inner thighs, and it feels productive. But here is the problem. Most of the time, your body does not trust that position. And when the body doesn't trust a position, the brain activates a defense system. Inside your muscles are sensors. Their job is simple: prevent injury. When a muscle is stretched too quickly or too far, these sensors send a signal to your nervous system, and the response is immediate. The brain says, "Hold on, this might be dangerous." So it does something very interesting. It tells the muscle to tighten. This is called the stretch reflex. It's basically your body saying, "I'm not sure this is safe, so I'm locking things down." And this is why many people feel flexible during a stretch, but stiff again shortly after, because the brain never actually learned that the position was safe. Flexibility is not just about range of motion, it's about control at the end of that range. Think of it this way: if someone pushes your leg into a split, that does not mean you are flexible. It just means your body can be forced into that position. True mobility means something different. It means you can move there yourself and your body feels safe staying there. That difference is huge because the brain only allows movement it believes is safe and controlled. This is where mobility training changes the game. Mobility isn't just passive. You aren't just sitting there letting gravity pull on your muscles. Instead, you are actively using your muscles to move through a range of motion, and that changes the signal going to your brain. Instead of, "Help, this position is dangerous," the signal becomes, "I am controlling this movement. I am strong here. I am safe here." And when the brain believes that, it slowly removes those protective restrictions. That is when real flexibility starts to happen. Let's try a simple example. Sit with one leg in front and the other behind. This is the 90-90 position. Now rotate your hips, switching both legs to the other side. But here's the rule: no hands. Use your hip muscles to rotate the legs, slowly, controlled. You will notice immediately this is much harder than just sitting in a stretch. Your muscles are working, your nervous system is learning to control the joint. Over time, that constant stiffness finally starts to disappear. If you want to start improving your movement today, watch this simple routine right here. Subscribe to Move Better Daily because your body isn't meant to feel stiff forever.